Stonoga i Zabac na zadatku susrećemo našu dragu prijateljicu Severinu od Monaka. Možeš da upitaš Severinu kako se ona trenutno osjeća?
How do you feel right now?
Comment tu te sens directement là?
For the moment, good and serenity. Yeah, and I would like to enjoy to live this moment with intensity and I'm in a hurry, ready.
Are you nervous today before the show?
Excuse me?
Is she nervous about performance?
Of course, it's normal.
Znamo da je Monako lijep, ali nismo znali da je Severina ljepša od Monaka.
We know that Monaco is pretty, but we didn't know that Severine is prettier than Monaco.
Il savait que Monaco était une très belle ville, mais il savait pas que Séverine était encore plus belle que Monaco.
Oh, thank you so much.
And we have our own little jury.
Wait. I have one question. Šta Severina misli o drugoj Severini koja dolazi iz Hrvatske?
What do you think about the other Severina from Croatia?
Qu'est-ce que tu penses de la leur de Séverine, enfin, de la Croatie?
I love her song, really. It's not my favorite, but in my hit, she's in the hit. Yeah, really, and it's good because there is two Severin.
Yes.
Good and good luck for
Severine.
yeah for every Severin. It's the Severin song contest.
We hope next contest is Severine song contest.
Okay,
And
this
we hope
year
to see you
it's Severin.
here.
Thank
Good
you.
luck for you too.
Yeah, a lot of things for her.
Yes. The votes from the Stonoga and the Zabac jury to Severine of Princess Severine of Monaco.
La Monaco, 12 points.
Monaco, 12 points.
I hope so. Woo!